Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 11. Today student, we are going to understand the second type of problem, I'm to say question that is asked in term 1 exam, term 2 exam or your board question in class 12th based on random function. So as I already typed the particular question and along with the programming code, you can see in the following Python program what is the expected value of the my marks. You can see that my marks, okay, from option 1 to 5. Okay, what will the expected answer, you will search for that and then justify your answer also. So once we have to review the program that is given here, first of all we have import the random module, and then after that we have created a list that is named by marks. Okay, the value are in a unordered way, that means to say there is no ascending or descending order. First value is 99, second value is 92, third 94, then fourth 96, then fifth 93, and at last 95. Okay student, this is our predefined list as the program. Now we are going to get the random value with the help of my marks variable. So first of all we are searching the output within the list. Okay, so here is marks. As I use the marks, its index value what will come, it will decide by this 1 and random render range also. So here is 1, by default we have provided here is 1 plus random dot rand range. Here the range starts from 2, you can see student, 2 to 4 and by step 1. So at last we are going to store this particular value to my marks, okay, and this will print. So what is going on this particular code student? So whatever the my marks will store the value. Suppose that example student, if suppose that 0 will come, okay, it is simple example. Let's say if marks of 0th index will come, so it will indicate 99. So value of the my marks will be definitely 99. Okay, so this type of value will come from the list and this will print, what will print, it will print only 91, that means to say 99. This is only scenario. Okay, so here we are going to just check what will the expected output through this particular code. The first option 99, second 93, 94, 96, and at last none of the above. So let us understand what it will come student. So first of all you can see that here is marks of 1, that means to say 99 will never print because 99 indexing is based on 0th index. Okay, so 99 position is 0, so it will never print, that means to say 99. So it means to say first option is always false, it means to say it will never print. Second one thing, we are going to this rand range function. So under the rand range function the minimum value will be definitely 2. Okay, so you can see 0, 1 and 2. So 94 will print, but here is 1, so it means to say 94 will also not print. Why? If the minimum value 2 will come, so it will indicate definitely 94, and 94 based on 0, 1, 2 second position. Okay, understand, and this second position added by this one also, this will be 96. Okay, that's why 99, 92, 94 will never print. So it means to say option number third is also what thing, incorrect. And now as I told you, the 96 may be possible. Suppose that minimum value 2 has come, 2 plus 1 is 3, so index value 3 minimum value of this particular code. So let us understand what will come and what is the chances which one value will come. So 0, 1, 2, 3, so 96 will maybe one of the output. So option number 2 is true. And suppose that now next one thing, what thing, maximum value is 4. Okay, So 4 plus 1 will be definitely 5. So let us understand what will the output. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here will be definitely what thing? 95 will be output, but this is not in our list. Okay, so 93 can be a particular output. Why? The minimum value is 2. Then 96 can be output, and between 2 to 4 maybe 3 also comes. So 93 may be one of the output, but 95 never be a output. Okay, so only two value is the output of the particular code, either 96 or 93. Okay, and none of the above, this will be definitely again false. According to that, 93 may be one of the output and 96 won't be one of the output. I have shown you already printed output. You can see 96, 93, 96, 93, every time 96, 93 has come. So we are going to do it practically, student. So I am going to just run it. So now you can see first value will come 93. Okay, and second again 93. Again I am going to compile it 96. Okay, you can see 96. Okay, again I am just running it 93. So only these two values are valid value for this particular program. You can see every time 93 and 96 will come. So it means to say, student, option number 2 is correct. Okay, that means to say this will be correct, and 96 this will be also correct, except that other value are what thing? False. So we have justified our answer also with the help of these particular indexing value, whatever the covered by range function and one function. So I hope, student, you have learned how to get the possibility of the output also, okay, of the range function allowing indexing. In this particular program, we are just getting the output through the list element with the help of indexing code also. Till then, student, thank you and have a nice day.